Actually, I don't believe that, let's say from my experience, every company or potential customer that we met, he couldn't say that those kind of solutions like DatuBIM solution is not vital for him. But usually there was really an issues in implementing and using the platform as a daily solution and tools for their works in all with all the stakeholders. So again, it's from my experience, those firms or those customers who manage and succeeded in using DatuBIM in the best way, and they expand their using DatuBIM from thousands of images a month to hundreds of thousands of images a month, all of them, they decide to implement DatuBIM in every project across all the company sites. So the first, you need to decide. This will significantly reduce the cost and the time while providing tools for better decision making. Achieving it. So first, identify an internal champion for implementing the platform in everyday working, and set targets and bonus for his implementation task. This was really crucial to make it successful. Second, develop drone service either inside house or through just looking for a partnership with drone operators. Drone operators are really very good. They can learn, they can even make it in very similar cost effective for you. Ideally, you have to train site engineer or foreman to operate the drones. If you don't want to make it, so please find a partnership that he is a drone operator. Third, encourage the survey team to take on the role of DatuBIM manager, to be a BIM manager for each site, because the survey team or the chief surveyor, he is the most stakeholder that will take benefits from DatuBIM and those kind of platforms. And he can also serve others and teach others how to get benefits from a DatuBIM. Schedule drone flights for each site at least once a month. So we have a huge companies, because they want to taste it, they start in 3 months. But when you lose the momentum of documenting the site, you will also lose the added value of those kind of platform. So make it in a very high duration. And if you have the drone inside the site, you can do it even once every 2 weeks. We have some customers that we are facing. They are taking or capturing images every day for specific and small tasks and works, and they make it for the whole project at least one every 2 weeks. And finally, conduct training sessions every 2 weeks for all stakeholders and ensure they all complete DatuBIM license process. So in that Datumate website, you can apply for have like a license or a certificate of Datumate users. Make it happen. Ask from all your users to make it. And if you need us or need our team to provide you every 2 weeks a session of training, so make it invite all of your stakeholders inside the organization, and we will make it happen.